This message is for you if you're seriously considering booking a great investment property where you can get higher appreciation, good rental, great location, maybe even in future you might want to move in there. So this project is for you, especially when you're looking to stay in your budget. So this project is for you. I'm talking about Lakeview Barrie project, where the unit prices are starting from low 400s, to be precise 408,000 starting price for the unit. And that's not all, the parking is included. So you are next to Highway 400. You're a few minutes walk to lake. You are just in a walking distance to walking trails, steps away from a mall. You can go and shop anything you want to, and you're walking distance to Georgian College. Great location, great investment, but the units are very less, only 159 units. It's a luxury condo building, amazing amenities. But book it right now because the units are going super duper fast. Give me a call right now at 647-532-3000. 647-532-3000. You can secure your one bedroom from 408,000 and one bedroom plus 10 from 432,000. Only paying 10% in this year, 5% in next year, and 5% when you get the occupancy, which is scheduled in July 2023. But units are limited, so book it right away.